What's up guys, it's a Pete Moss on the fly from the house, late night cooking with Pete Moss. Tonight we're going to be making a real simple, quick, cheap, easy to throw together, delicious late night snack. We're going to be having some chicken breast with barbecue sauce and fries, simple as can be. Monkey Boo's going to be having a piece of chicken breast with just a little bit of seasoning on it and just a dab of sauce. You like chicken breast? You like it, Boo? It's good for you, yes. So as you can see, I already have the chicken breast prepared here in a glass pan. Just gonna bake them. Don't have to go out to the grill or anything like that. I'm gonna stick these right in the oven. I preheated the oven to 425. So I'm gonna stick these in here. And I've got just some regular bag fries, crinkle cuts. I've got them nice and evenly laid out. Baked, not fried. Much healthier for you guys. Gonna bake these for about 20 minutes. The chicken breast I'll bake for about 25 minutes or so, and it will be absolutely delicious. After I bake it for 25 minutes, I'll take it out, put some sauce on it, put it back in for just a few minutes. Voila, we have a perfect dinner. I'll show you guys the finished result in just a few minutes, and you've learned how to make yourself a late night snack. Alright, this is very important. See, I'll put a fork in there. You want to cut your chicken open somewhere in the cooking process, because you don't want to eat pink chicken. If you don't cook for yourself, if you learn how to cook chicken breast, undercooked chicken will make you really sick. Okay, as you can see, that chicken looks really, really good. I've got a piece of it right here. I'm going to try. Hold on. Probably kind of hot. Boo, that's good stuff. Alright. So my chicken is just about done. I'm going to stick it back in for just a few more minutes. Okay, just a little something else, because I like my fries to be really crispy, and they're getting really close to being done, and the chicken's almost done too. So I'm actually going to flip it over to broil, just really long enough. Like I said, the fries are basically done. Just long enough for the broiler, that's the top burner if you don't know, in the oven, to get really hot. Yummy, crispy fries, golden. Alright guys, I've taken the fries out. Good look, they're a nice golden brown, and I've turned the oven completely off, so it's still really hot in there. So I'm going to tell you my secret. Stubbs barbecue sauce is the shit. It is delicious. It is the best barbecue sauce. So I'll put their Twitter right here beside it. If you see this video and you try Stubbs barbecue sauce and you like it, tweet it to them and tell them at the Pete Moss Show told you to. Here's my Twitter link right here. Make sure you let them know that I told you to go check it out. Alright, so I put my Stubbs sauce on my chicken. Put a generous helping all over each piece. And really all I'm going to do now is just stick it back in the oven for just a few more minutes. It's still really, really hot in there. So yeah, Stubbs is the stuff. That's my secret. And a little bit of black pepper, but yeah, the chicken will be ready shortly, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, Monkey Boo's going to try his chicken breast. Is it good, Boo? Is it good? Is that good stuff? Is it good? Your daddy can cook. Late night cooking with Pete and Boo. If you want me to keep doing this and show you guys how to cook, leave it in the comments and let me know. I'll show you guys how to make everything from breakfast to dinner. So my daddy can cook it up. Tell him, Boo. He said, you heard him. Alright guys, so the chicken is out of the oven. Look at the smoke coming off of it. My golden fries. Great late night snack. Picked up chicken breast on sale for like 3 chicken breasts for like $5.50 for a pack. Bag of fries, $3. Your choice of fries may be different. You know, there's Ore-Ida, there's store brand. They're all pretty good. I kind of partial to Ore-Ida, but if you want ketchup, don't sell yourself short. Get you some Heinz. It is the best. Heinz. Don't sell yourself short on the ketchup. So thanks to Stubbs barbecue sauce, little Heinz ketchup, and Pete Moss special barbecue chicken recipe. You guys are welcome. If you actually cook this up, send me a picture of it or make a video of it or something. I want to see it. Pete Moss barbecue, late night cooking with Pete Moss and Monkey Boo. Yeah, boo.